Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know about you guys, but on YouTube, on television, period, they've been talking about the coronavirus. I've been getting a bit sad and emotional about people losing their jobs and the health, and now over 10,000 people have already passed away. Every night, my husband and I, we pray for the world. I was thinking to myself, what can I do during this time period where I feel like I can't do anything, and the only thing that I thought about doing was just giving you guys something to watch other than what we've been watching. So in today's video, I did a review on Ditto Cosmetics. Let me say, they have amazing quality for an affordable price. So today we will be doing a review on their neon palette. I'm really here for this look. So if you're interested in seeing how I got it and my thoughts on this palette, subscribe to my channel first. Hit that subscribe button below. Turn on that notification bell so you stay up to date with my content, because my content is very important too. And yeah, but yeah, today I'm gonna be trying out the neon palette by Ditto Cosmetics. And you guys, I've used Ditto Cosmetics in the past. I absolutely love them. So I'm gonna start off with a few swatches. Very pigmented. Yeah, so these are really pigmented colors. What I will do is I'm gonna start off with a base. My P. Louise base hasn't come yet. I'm so pissed because it was like, oh, it'll be here tomorrow, as in yesterday, and here we are today, and it's still not here. I'm gonna just prime my lid, and I'm going to just pat this all over my lid. So let's just do one eye at a time. So we're gonna just take that color Sky down here, and it comes with a mirror. I'm gonna go in with my M152 brush. A lot is on there. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Okay, so I was experiencing a bit of fallout, but let me just kind of like tap it off. But do you guys see that blue? That blue is on there. And I'm kind of just going in tapping motions. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, look at me. Ooh, that blue is there. So I just need to make sure when I open my eye, you can see it, because I have hooded eyes. So for the most part, we kind of got to go a bit above our normal crease. And if we have any fallout, we can fix that. So it's okay. You guys. Hi, color. You guys, this palette, I've only used one shade, but I've swatched all of the colors. Oh my god. And this palette is affordable, y'all. Ditto Cosmetics has a lot of affordable products. So I'm not experiencing that much fallout. I do have some fallout under my eyes. Not that much. Oh my gosh. Try to tap it out into a cat wing. If you need help, you could, oh, I should have done it too. You could use a piece of tape. What? Hi, blue. Tap on some more, and it's cool because the more I tap on, it's not getting patchy. I'm here for this. This is bomb. And by priming it, I'm just putting concealer on. I'm excited to really tap into this. I can't say anything but good things about this blue. For the inner corners of my eyes, I'm gonna go on with the Ditto Eco Earth, because they have this little blue shade that we're going to. You could really go crazy with this one. You guys know the drill. As my lashes dry, let's hope this blue is off. So I just have already cut lashes, put a bit of glue on it. Lips, just gonna use a normal brown. And if you guys are wondering, I don't overline my lips. This is the shade Bikini Babe by Huda Beauty. Artist Couture in the shade Illuminati gives us some. That's better. And then we'll just add a bit into our inner corners. Sparkle on top of that blue we have. So that's my makeup tutorial using the Neon palette by Ditto Cosmetics. To be quite honest, this blue is giving me 100% life. I literally love the way this looks. I can't wait to try out the other shades in the palette. My husband pointed out that these had cute little stamps on it. Can't wait to try this palette out with my P. Louise base. High colors, we're here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already a part of the world's most coolest, littest, hardest working YouTube channel. Be sure. Why is my ring light to the left, Beyonce? Ring the alarm. I've been through this too long. So no, yeah, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll catch you guys in my next upload, which will probably be the day after tomorrow. So bye.
Another motherfucking bitch try me. They gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jan Beyonce.